Description and construction the project. The main materials used to carry out the project were skewer sticks, cardboard octaves, a catheter, hose of water passage, 4 syringes of 10 cm each to exert water pressure, triple wood for the base of the project with measurements of 18 cms, x 13 cms. Silicon gun and respectively silicon bars and coating. Project process for the realization of your prototype of mobile bridge based on the principle of the behavior of the fluids according to Bernoulli. Different calculations were made to make the scale on to 4 and reduce the real measures of the bridge to a scale measure to mainly assemble 2 structures of gridded central towers for your project and making in semicircle shaped cuts in the middle of them to make a tunnel simulation to make way the vehicles, the construction of the central mobile, the bridge that are crossed by some skewer sticks and will simulate the axis so that your bridge can move up and down thanks to the pressure of the syringe and give way to the boats. Also with the skewer sticks structures we also made for the mobile bridge and that have more strength and consistency. In order for your project to look like the Tower Bridge in London, lateral structures were made in the form of a post so that our squared structure of your bridge has greater consistency and strength, thus simulating a real castle. Also take into account that some points were made on each pole in the lateral area of the tower in order to look like a castle. The compass was used to make perfect circles, and with the ruler make vertical lines and be able to make the folds of the cardboard so that it looks like a castle. Finishing with the construction of the project, the square bases of the tower are made simulating giant rocks and gluing the syringe and character houses that are elements that will guide use strength and movement and respectively the water pressure according to the Bernoulli principle. So that the bridge can go down and up respectively. This was carried out using silicone gun to have a greater consistency to finish the procedure of the model, and finalizing details we proceeded to paint it and glue and triplex wooden base to that it is your central axis of your project. It should have been taken into account that the time of gluing the character house, the syringe, silicone and sodium bicarbonate were applied for a greater consistency. The main objectives of the project and construction are first, understanding Bernoulli's principle. By building the mock-up, students can gain a practical understanding of Bernoulli's principle and how it applies to fluid engineering. They can directly observe how pressure differences generated by fluid flow can be used to perform mechanical work such as moving hydraulic bridge. Second, application of mechanical engineering concepts. The construction of the model involves applying mechanical engineering concepts from the structural design of the bridge to the selection of materials that are effective and safe for the project. Students can learn about the strength of materials and how to apply these principles in a practical setting. Third, develop of technical skills. Participants can improve their technical skills, including the ability to measure, cut, assemble, and connect components. This involves the manipulation of materials and tools, as well as the resolution of practical problems related to the construction of the model. Fourth, promotion of creativity and design. The model provides the opportunity to encourage creativity and designs. A student can experiment with different shapes and sizes of elements, as well as the arrangement of hydraulic components to achieve the desired movement of the bridge. This aspect of the project allows for personal expression and innovation. Thanks for watching.